Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know what sound this letter makes? It says two words that start with the sound are house and hat. Do you hear the sound at the beginning? House, hat. Now, let's use our bodies to help us remember the sound. We're going to pretend that we have a big hat and we're going to put it on our heads. In order to get the hat on our head, we have to say like that. Are you ready to put the hat on your head? Okay, go. Hat. Now let's play our sound game. Get your pointer fingers ready. I want you to point to the word that starts with dog, rain, hat. Dog, rain, hat. Do you hear the sound at the beginning? Excellent job. It's hat. You did a wonderful job learning your sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.